My name is Gili Koster. I am a black Dutchman. I'm born in Paramaribo, Suriname, which used to be a colony of Holland. Today is Friday the 18th of July 2014. It is the day after a Malaysian airplane got shot down above the Ukraine. This was a civilian aircraft, and 298 people, innocent people, were killed. That makes me incredibly angry. I am angry because I am not a god. Because if I was a god, I would have prevented this. I am angry because God or whoever is in charge did not prevent this. I am mad, angry, because some human beings have less feeling in their gut and less intellectual capacity than pigs. I am mad because of the armies. I am angry on these so-called freedom fighters who are nothing but a bunch of cowards using rockets, weapons, and shooting people they don't even know from a long distance. If you are a human being of some dignity, at least have the gut to show your balls when you're acting like a pig. I am angry. I am intensely angry because in this plane there were doctors who were working on a cure for AIDS. A lot of knowledge has been lost. But I'm also angry because there were children on the plane who didn't know nothing. They didn't even know that there was a conflict going on. I am intensely angry because of the madness around me. I am angry because of the wars all over the world, in Asia, in the Middle East, in Africa, in Europe. For what? Fighting for some crazy leaders promising what? I am angry because of the world, this beautiful world we live in, going to hell because of some petrol, gas, oil, coal, dollar. I am angry because my friend Tim died. But I'm also angry because of the 297 other people who I did not know, who lost their life in a cause they didn't even know about. But at the same time, when I feel this angriness inside of me, I feel that this bitterness should not consume me. I do not want to become like the pigs I'm trying to fight. I believe in a world where people do have respect for life. Life in general, and especially the life of human beings. I call upon people who think like me to change this world. Because we are the majority. We are the silent majority who did not speak until this day. I call upon you to use your voice and stop madness. Choose your leaders, take your responsibility, care for this world, so that at least things can change. Stop madness.